there, gentlemen over 50. Imagine popping something simple into your mouth, chewing for just 60 seconds, and feeling that natural spark come back to life down there. Stronger, more reliable erections without popping pills or awkward doctor visits. Sounds almost too straightforward, right? Like a secret your grandpa never told you? Well, stick around because I'm about to spill the beans on 3 everyday foods that could change your game. I'm Evelyn Rose, and welcome to Wellness Within Reach, where real health is just a chew away. As we hit our 50s and beyond, things can slow down a bit. Energy dips, circulation isn't what it used to be, and let's be real, bedroom confidence might take a hit. But what if I told you the fix isn't in a bottle or a prescription? It's in your kitchen. Simple acts like chewing certain nutrient-packed foods can kickstart your body's natural systems, boosting blood flow, balancing hormones, and revving up vitality. Today, we'll dive into how garlic, ginger, and walnuts, chewed mindfully for a minute a day, can support firmer erections, better stamina, and overall wellness. No gimmicks, just science-backed habits that fit right into your routine. If you're tired of feeling like age is winning, this could be your easy win. Before we jump in, hit that like button if you're ready to reclaim your energy, and drop a comment below. What's one thing holding back your vitality right now? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss these practical tips. Your future self will thank you. And if this resonates, share it with a buddy who could use a boost. Let's build this community together. All right, friends, let's get comfortable and talk real talk. I'm Evelyn Rose, your guide here on Wellness Within Reach, where we focus on simple, accessible ways to feel your best at any age. Today, we're exploring something that's been buzzing in men's health circles. How a quick daily chew of natural powerhouses like garlic, ginger, and walnuts can naturally enhance erection strength and reliability, especially for us folks navigating the golden years. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Chewing? Really? But hear me out. This isn't about chomping down on random snacks. It's about harnessing the body's own mechanisms through mindful eating. Chewing activates your saliva, which is like a turbocharger for nutrient absorption. Those enzymes in your spit break down food right away, making sure vitamins, minerals, and compounds get into your system fast and effectively. For guys over 50, when digestion might not be as zippy as it once was, this little habit can mean the difference between nutrients just passing through or actually fueling your energy, hormones, and yes, that crucial blood flow to where it matters most. Think about it like this. As we age, our bodies deal with things like reduced nitric oxide production, which is key for relaxing blood vessels and allowing healthy circulation. Without that, erections can become less firm or harder to sustain. But nature has given us tools to fight back, and chewing is one of the simplest ways to activate them. It's not magic, it's biology. Studies from places like the National Institutes of Health show that thorough mastication improves gut health and nutrient uptake, which in turn supports vascular function. So by taking just 60 seconds a day to chew thoughtfully, you're signaling your body to ramp up circulation, balance hormones, and build resilience. And the best part? These foods we're talking about are affordable, available at any grocery store, and backed by real research on their benefits for heart health, inflammation reduction, and hormonal support, all of which tie directly into male performance. Let's start with garlic, that humble bulb that's been a staple in kitchens and medicine cabinets for centuries. I get it. Garlic might not scream romance, but when it comes to supporting natural erections, it's a quiet hero. The key player here is allicin, a compound that's formed when garlic is crushed or chewed. This sulfur-based wonder helps your body ramp up nitric oxide levels, which acts like a natural vasodilator, widening those blood vessels so blood can flow more freely. For older men, this is huge because age-related stiffness in arteries can restrict that flow to the pelvic area, leading to weaker or inconsistent erections. Chewing a small piece of raw garlic for about a minute mixes it with your saliva, kickstarting the release of these beneficial compounds almost instantly. It's like giving your vascular system a gentle nudge to stay flexible and efficient. But garlic's benefits go beyond just the bedroom. It's loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, which can damage cells and contribute to conditions like high blood pressure or cholesterol buildup, common culprits in erectile challenges. According to nutritional data from the USDA, a single clove packs vitamins like B6 and C, plus manganese, all of which support energy metabolism and immune function. Over time, incorporating this habit can lead to steadier blood pressure, which means better overall endurance, whether you're hitting the gym or enjoying time with your partner. And for prostate health, garlic's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and improve urinary flow, cutting down on those annoying nighttime bathroom runs that disrupt sleep and sap your morning energy. Sleep, by the way, is when your body produces a lot of testosterone, so anything that helps you rest better indirectly boosts that hormone too. Now, if the pungency worries you, and let's be honest, garlic breath isn't ideal, start small. Peel a fresh clove. Let it sit for a couple of minutes to fully activate the allicin. That's a pro tip from food science research. Then chew half of it slowly. You could even pair it with a dab of natural yogurt or a slice of apple to mellow the flavor without losing the perks. Consistency is your friend here. 1 clove a day is ample. Pushing too hard with more could lead to tummy troubles like bloating or acid reflux, especially if your digestion is sensitive. Remember, this is about sustainable wellness, not a sprint. Over weeks, many men report feeling more invigorated, with mornings that start stronger and days that feel less sluggish. It's empowering to know you're using something as everyday as garlic to support your vitality from the inside out. Shifting gears to ginger, this spicy root is another game changer that's been used in traditional wellness practices around the world, and now modern nutrition backs it up. Ginger contains active compounds like gingerol and shogaol, which have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. When you chew fresh ginger, these elements create a warming sensation that stimulates blood circulation throughout your body, including to the lower regions. This improved flow helps deliver oxygen and nutrients more efficiently, setting the stage for more responsive and sustained erections. For men in their 50s and up, when hormonal shifts might lower testosterone slightly, ginger's ability to support healthy levels of this key hormone is a bonus. Research from journals like the Journal of Medicinal Food suggests ginger can enhance testosterone production by protecting Leydig cells in the testes from oxidative damage. Chewing a thin slice, say the size of a quarter, for 60 seconds lets those juices mingle with your saliva, absorbing quickly into your bloodstream. You'll often feel that gentle heat spreading, which isn't just comforting, it's a sign of enhanced microcirculation. Beyond erections, ginger excels at easing digestive woes, which are common as we age. It speeds up gastric emptying, reducing that heavy, bloated feeling after meals that can kill your mood and energy for intimacy. Plus, its calming effect on the nervous system helps dial down stress. Cortisol, the stress hormone, is a notorious erection killer because it constricts blood vessels. By incorporating ginger, you're not only boosting performance, but also fostering a relaxed state of mind, making those special moments more enjoyable and less pressured. Nutritionally, ginger is a powerhouse. Low in calories, but high in potassium for heart health, magnesium for muscle relaxation, and vitamin C for immune support. The USDA notes it's also a source of dietary fiber, aiding in steady blood sugar levels, important because spikes in sugar can impair vascular function over time. To make it palatable, try peeling and slicing fresh ginger root or grate it into a warm herbal tea if chewing raw feels too intense at first. But stick to small amounts. Overdoing it might cause a bit of heartburn or warmth that's uncomfortable. Build it into your evening routine, perhaps after dinner, and watch how it contributes to better sleep, sharper focus, and that underlying confidence that comes from feeling balanced. Now, let's crack open the topic of walnuts, those brain-shaped nuts that are as nutritious as they look. Walnuts are exceptional for men's health because they're rich in L-arginine, an amino acid your body converts into nitric oxide. Just like with garlic, this promotes vessel relaxation and better blood delivery to erectile tissues. For older gentlemen, maintaining nitric oxide is vital as levels naturally decline with age, but a handful of chewed walnuts can help bridge that gap. Additionally, walnuts are brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which the body uses to build hormones like testosterone. Harvard Health Publishing highlights how diets high in healthy fats like these support endocrine function, reducing the risk of low T symptoms such as fatigue or reduced libido. The act of chewing walnuts slowly, aim for a small handful, about 1 ounce, breaks down their tough structure, releasing those oils and making them bioavailable. This mindful process also encourages better digestion, preventing the nuts from just sitting heavy in your stomach. Over time, this can lead to improved cholesterol profiles, with walnuts helping to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, while raising HDL, good, per studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. That means a healthier heart, which is the pump behind strong circulation everywhere, including south of the belt. Walnuts also pack zinc, a mineral crucial for testosterone synthesis and sperm health, and vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from free radical damage. But walnuts aren't just about the nuts and bolts of erection support. They enhance overall vitality. Their anti-inflammatory effects can ease joint aches that might otherwise cramp your style, and the healthy fats provide sustained energy without the crash of sugary snacks. Incorporate them by toasting lightly for better flavor. Research shows mild heat doesn't destroy the nutrients, or mix with a touch of cinnamon for a tasty twist. Avoid salted varieties to keep sodium in check, especially if blood pressure is a concern. 1 or 2 handfuls daily, chewed thoroughly, can accumulate into noticeable gains in stamina, mood, and that morning wood that signals your system's firing on all cylinders. Putting it all together, the beauty of this approach is its simplicity and synergy. You don't need to chew all 3 at once. Pick one to start, like garlic in the morning for a circulation kick, ginger midday for digestion and stress relief, or walnuts as an afternoon snack for hormone support. Make it a ritual. Sit quietly, focus on the flavors and textures, and let your body do the rest. Over a month, track how you feel. Perhaps jot notes on energy levels or intimacy confidence. Nutrition-wise, these foods align with Mediterranean diet principles, which the Mayo Clinic endorses for heart and sexual health, emphasizing whole foods over processed ones. A few gentle reminders. Always consult your doctor before new habits, especially if you're on blood thinners. Garlic can thin blood slightly, or have acid reflux. Ginger might irritate. Hydrate well, as these foods work best in a body that's not dehydrated. Pair with light exercise like walking to amplify benefits. Studies show combined lifestyle changes yield the best results. Avoid late-night heavy meals or excessive alcohol, which can counteract the gains by dehydrating you or disrupting hormone production. Instead, think of this as part of a holistic routine. Good sleep, balanced meals, and these chews as your secret weapons. In essence, gentlemen, reclaiming your natural vitality doesn't require extremes. By chewing garlic, ginger, or walnuts for just 60 seconds daily, you're investing in better blood flow, hormonal harmony, and that inner strength that makes life fuller. It's about honoring your body with what nature provides, leading to not just better erections, but sharper minds, stronger hearts, and days filled with purpose. You've got this. Wellness is truly within reach. If this sparks something in you, take the challenge. Try one of these chews tonight and let me know in the comments how it goes. Hit subscribe for more down-to-earth wellness tips tailored for you, like this one. Give it a thumbs up if you're in, and share with a friend. Spreading health is the best kind of sharing. Thanks for watching Wellness Within Reach. I'm Evelyn Rose, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong.